Okay, now we're going to do the addition of a new product. You'll start by going to your content, finding the page that you want to update. I will just pull up the Planet Tan inventory page, and these are the products that we have here now. It definitely will be easier to add products to the end of the page, but I know many times you need to insert a product in the middle or change out a product that's already on the page. So I will show you how to do both of those. Start by going into Edit. And let's say you needed to change the content ordering information for this product. If you notice here, see the little dotted lines here and here? That is indicating a table. Tables are just a series of rows and columns. So you've got lots of rows and you've got 2 columns. So for each product, you're going to be using 2 cells, this one and this one. What makes this complicated when you're looking at the source code is to have it display on the page this way. You'll see the source for this one, then you'll see the source for this one, then for this one, and then for this one. So the source for these 2 things that go together will not be lined up whenever we view the source code. And view the source code here. And you'll see that we start our table here. The first table row has has 2 table definitions. So this is the row, and then this becomes the first cell, the table definition. And then below we close that, and then here's the second table definition. So if you look at what's in this first table definition, it's an image and some text, qualifies for new for free, for new hire, and then the sizes and that sort of thing. And then we look at this next table definition, and this is another image, also qualifies for new hire. So if we go back to the source, we'll see what we just saw was this information followed by this information. And as I said, what makes it complicated is you need this to come below this. So when we go back to that source, we'll see that below that those 2 table definitions for the images, the table row gets closed and a new table row gets opened. And then in this first table definition, this is going to be where you paste in your code from your shopping cart software. From here all the way down to, let's see, where this table definition starts, and I'll do find here to find the next closed table definition. So all of this is what came, yeah, see how easy it is to get lost in here. So, okay, here's my trick. Here's what I do so that I don't get lost. Let's say I need to update, maybe all of this information is fine here. Maybe I just need to update this price. I can do that just by typing in the box all this text. This image, if I need a new image, I just click right here and browse my server. If I don't see the image I want, then I can upload a new image. Let's look at my images directory, and let's say that I wanted to change it to that image. Then we could do that. I'm not going to hit save on this page for obvious reasons. So the content that's in these 2 descriptive boxes is easy to update, just like you update content on any page of the site. What you're going to be copying and pasting in is going to be this from your shopping cart software. So what I typically do is go down to the bottom here, I'll hit return, and I'll put in all caps, add new block here. Now when I go into the source, I find that, where did I just type that? Add new, okay, there it is. So I don't want that there, but here's my end of form, and I'm going to select from here and be very careful as I go back up and look for the top of the form. So that would be the old shopping cart paste that I had done, and then, you know, whatever you needed it changed to, you would paste in over that spot. So, you know, that's my little trick, is just, as I said, to go to the area where you want to update and put some sort of text so that you can find it when you get into the editor. Now, I'm going to close this one and then I'll come back. I don't want these to get too long. I'm going to come back and show you how to add a new product that, you know, maybe it will cause you to have to add a new row in here. So stay tuned.